carefully. That is 2 points. That is first one, the risk to search again, and second one, to examine carefully. Research is an art of scientific and systematized investigation to gain new knowledge. And for research, one point is very important, that is curiosity. Curiosity of an individual, or curiosity. What is curiosity? Curiosity is a human instinct which has brought about huge discoveries and investigations to gain knowledge. To gain knowledge. Curiosity is a human instinct which has brought about huge discoveries and inventions. This curiosity is the mother of all knowledge, and the methods and tools applied to obtain knowledge of unknown events can be understood as research. Now the next point is etymology. What is etymology? The word research is derived from the Middle French word that is recherche, which means to go about seeking. The term itself being derived from the Old French term that is recherchier, a compound word from re plus cherchier or searcher, meaning search. Now I will tell you the definition of research. That is, it means diligent systematic inquiry or study to validate and redefine existing knowledge and develop new knowledge. To redefine existing knowledge and develop new knowledge. Now in Ayurveda, what is its mean? That is anusandhan. Anusandhan means a shloka is given, a very beautiful shloka is given in Ayurvedic text, that is karya karan bhavasya dravyanam gun karmano parikshya sthapanam samyak anusandhanam uchyate. That is the examination and establishment of truth about the karya karan bhav, cause and effect, gun karma, properties and pharmacological actions of dravya is anusandhanam. Anusandhanam consists of two words, anu plus sandhan. Anu means anantar or persistent. Sandhana means linking, joining, adding. For what? For what? To search or to connect the lost or missed links and get a thorough knowledge about something. Now I will tell you about the synonyms of research, that is अन्वेषणम पर्यवेक्षणम गवेषणम तथापिच शोध इत्यादि पर्याय लोक सम अभिधीयते. The synonyms are अन्वेषणम, गवेषणम, पर्यवेक्षणम and शोध are its synonyms. Now I will tell you the scope of research in Ayurveda. First one, there is a need to widen, expand, elaborate the concept and principle of Ayurveda to catch up with the modern science, which are continuously progressing and expanding. To bring about the transformation in Ayurveda, new materials and methodologies are needed. The concepts and the accepted theories of Ayurveda, which have stood the test of time, need to be re-examined. The old concepts required to be re-evaluated in the light of present theories and methodologies. What are its objectives of research? First one, to gain familiarity with a phenomena or to achieve new insights into it. Second point, to test a hypothesis of a causal relationship between variables. This was all about just the introductory part of research. In coming lectures, we will discuss about the remaining part of research and statistics, also about the mean, median, mode, variables, what is the standard deviation and all. In today's lecture about the introductory part of research, that is sufficient to know about the definition and its objectives, scope of research. This was all about today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.